We are discussing about discharge of contract. In that we have discussed about the discharge by performance, discharge by agreement and discharge of contract by operation of law. Today we are going to talk about discharge by breach. Breach means what? Breach means breaking the contract. So when it will be considered as breach of contract, so when a party to contract fails to perform the obligation imposed upon him, he is said to have committed breach of contract. So in a contract there will be two parties in a contract. One party is ready to perform his part of contract, ready to perform the obligation, duty imposed in the contract. But the other party to the contract is not ready to perform his part of contract. In that case, that party is said to have committed breach of contract. Say for example, there is a contract which has come into existence between A and B. A says that tomorrow I will sell this pen to you for 100 rupees. B says that yes, I will purchase this pen from you for 200 rupees. The contract is decided. So it is an example. No contract will be for 200 rupees pen, etc., but there is a contract. So A says that I am ready to sell my pen to you for 200 rupees. B says that yes, I am ready to purchase it. So the date of performance is tomorrow's date. Tomorrow A is ready to perform his part of contract. A comes with the pen, but B says that I don't want to purchase the pen from you. That means B has committed breach of contract. He is not ready to perform his part of contract or his duty under the contract as per the agreement or as per the contract. So discharge, in that case, it will come to an end. Contract will come to an end. How? Breach of contract operates as a discharge of contract. The breach of contract may be actual or anticipatory. So the breach of contract is maybe of two types: actual breach of contract or anticipatory breach of contract. The breach of contract may take place in three ways. So breach of contract may be of three types. How? First one is breach of contract when the performance is actually due. That means what? When a person does not perform his part of contract at the time when it is due. Means when he has to perform his part of contract, at that time he says that he is not ready to perform his part of contract. That is called as actual breach of contract. Say for example, there is an agreement between A and B. A says that on 1st of August, I will supply 100 bags of rice to you. On that day itself, on 1st of August, A tells B that he is not ready to supply 100 bags of rice. So here A has committed breach of contract, which is he has committed the breach actually when the performance is due, when he had to perform it on 1st of August. On that day itself, he says that he is unable to perform what he has promised. Second type of breach is breach during performance. Breach during performance means when part performance is done, half of the performance is done, yet half of the performance has to be done and the breach is committed. That is breach during performance. There is a contract between A and B to supply 100 chairs. A is going to supply 100 chairs to B. As per the contract, first installment of 50 chairs has to be sent on one day. After 8 days of that, second installment of 50 chairs has to be sent. When A sends 50 chairs on the first date, immediately after that B says that he does not require another 50 chairs after 8 days. So breach during performance. Half of the performance is done, yet half of the performance has to be done. In between that, the breach has been committed. And third type of breach is anticipatory breach of contract. Anticipatory breach of contract, we have to discuss it in detail because sometimes 2 marks question is asked on this point in section A. What is anticipatory breach of contract? When a party to a contract has refused to perform his promise totally, in its entirety means totally, the promisee may put an end to the contract. Anticipatory means what? A refusal by the promisor to perform his part of the contract before the due date of performance is known as anticipatory breach of contract. So yet he has to perform the contract on a particular date. Before that date itself, he will convey his message to the promisee that he is not ready to perform his part of contract. So anticipatory means something which is done before. So he has refused to perform his part of contract before the due date of performance, that is known as anticipatory breach of contract. So promisee. So promisor is not ready to perform his part of contract. Now what the promisee will do? So promisee has certain remedies. So example of this anticipatory breach of contract is A contracts with B on 1st of January. So on 1st of January there is contract comes into existence, and on that day they decide that A will sell 500 bags of rice to B and he will deliver it on 1st of May. So in the month of January contract is entered into and the date of performance is 1st of May. Before the date of performance, before 15 days of that, on 15th April, A writes a letter to B and in which he says that he is not going to deliver rice to B. So before the date of performance, he has committed breach of contract. He has refused to perform his obligation, his duty, which has to be performed as per the terms of contract. In this case, what the promisee, B is a promisee. What the promisee will do, promisee B may immediately treat the contract as at an end and file a suit, means he may file a case against A for damages without waiting till 1st of May. That is the scheduled date of performance. So two remedies B will have. What B will have? So B will immediately treat that as A has committed breach of contract. The contract is put to an end. Contract has come to an end, and immediately he will file a case against A for damages. Damages means for claiming compensation. So whatever loss he has suffered because of non-performance by A, he may file a case against him in the court of law to get that compensation, or he may wait till 1st of May, till the date of performance, scheduled performance. He will have two options, or he may file a case immediately. So this is the way how the contract will come to an end because of breach committed by either of the parties to the contract. Thank you.